लिखें वी आर कोमा however comma that very well pleased with our purchases of leaf tobacco from the 1985 crops comma both in regard to quality and price full stop as you already know comma one of the consequences of the economic situation in which this country finds itself is that we shall not be in the happy position this year of being able to make purchases of dollar leaf for stock purposes full stop. It is comma moreover comma unlikely that we shall receive sufficient dollars to enable us to replace current usage comma but with the existing stock position and the need for the government to maintain the revenue from tobacco duty comma I cannot see that my serious drop in supplies of tobacco and cigarettes to the public will occur this year full stop. Incidentally comma the fact that we shall not have such large commitments for dollar leaf purchases should mean a further reduction in our bank loan full stop. During the early part of the year we were given the opportunity of subscribing on favorable terms for additional shares in the Canadian company comma and this explains the rise in the figure relating to investments in subsidiary companies full stop. The Canadian company continues to make steady progress and had a record year comma although as in our own case comma the larger production than ever of their earnings disappears in taxation full stop. We regard our investment in this concern as very promising and look forward to it giving us an adequate return in the near future full stop. After what I have already said, I do not think the profit and loss accounts need much comment comma but I would draw your attention to the fact that in the present company's account comma dividends and interest from trade investments show an increase which comma I am pleased to say comma arises from the fact that the dividends from our associated company to Australia have been restored to their former level full stop. One other matter I will comma however comma mention and that is to bring to your notice the question of the incidence of taxation full stop this year comma despite our somewhat lower earnings comma we have actually to provide a larger sum for taxation than a year ago comma due entirely to the increase in the rate of the tax on distributed profits full stop. No change in the rate of dividends is recommended comma but instead of placing a sum of money to general reserve comma the sum of rupees 2 lakh dollars has been transferred to fixed assets reserve, full stop. This was the actual net cost of plant and machinery and all other items of a similar nature acquired during the year and represents, of course, the reinvestment of earnings as capital employed in the business, full stop. This leaves only $20,000 to be added to the carry forward and serves to emphasize the fact that with taxation as its prevent very much level, it is exceedingly difficult for business concerns to provide for the maintenance of their plant and equipment, for the replacement of absolute machinery, and for the installment of modern and more efficient plant out of their current earnings, full stop. I think there is a clear case for some relief of taxation on profits which are devoted to this purpose, full stop.